how to extract the year, month, day and quarter from a certain date, here from a higher date. Let's start extracting the year first. We'll use the year function in column D. It is simple. Year, select D2 and press enter. Double click to copy it down, and so we get the year from the date. And now we can use also the month function to extract the months from the dates as months, and select the D2, the date, and again double click to copy it down, so we get the month now. Also we can use the day function, the same fashion to extract the day from the higher date, is equal to day, and select the date D2 and double click to copy it down. So now we get some year, month and day. Now we want to find the quarter. We should approach it differently, and we will use the choose function including the month. So to insert it, we can insert it here is equal to choose, select choose, and month inside that, month, select the month and the date D2, close brace and do comma 1 1 1 and 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4. Here it means first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter. 1 1 1 means January, February and March and so on. Close brace and enter. Double click to copy it down, so we get the quarter from the date. But what if the physical year starts in October for some company? It's simple. We can modify the formula just according to our demand. So copy it to front here, enter it here, so it will start from 2 2. Now we modify it according to our needs. So now we get the 4. One last example is, what if we want to combine the year, the month, the day to find the date? Insert a new column, let's call it date, and enter the date function here is equal to dates. Select it and we'll use the year first, A2 the month next, F2 and finally the day from J2. Close brace and enter. Double click to copy it. Now we can format it. Select short date, expand it a little bit. Yeah, we get it. So it's actually the same date with a higher date, but you get the point.